Hi friends, this is a fun game you can do as a family. It's called Roll and Build a Turkey. You'll need tape, a scissors, and these couple pages. You're going to look at the dice, you're going to count the feathers, and you're going to match it to the turkey. So here's your turkey that you're going to cut out. You're going to cut out the feathers. You're going to need help with from an adult. That's fine. And what you're going to do is you're going to build your dice, which you can also have help from an adult. There are two. So here's the one I made. Probably needs a little more tape, but that's okay. So what you're going to do is you're going to roll the dice and count the number. 1, 2. So I would put 2 feathers on my turkey. Then you're going to go again. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to do 3 feathers on my turkey. Fill up your whole turkey and have lots of fun with it. Bye, friends.